Good morning. Yesterday I got from China this product that will make a fake CD for your original stereo. This is a Toyota Yaris 2005 MK1 first version, and it looks pretty ugly here, but to change to another stereo, that's not the idea here. So first I'm gonna, it's actually pretty easy, because you're just gonna connect one connector to the back of this lower part, the CD, and you will have in display by switching between tape CD or 6-pack CD, or what do you call it, I don't know, multi CD changer. It's a simulation of a multi CD changer. So okay, so I'm just gonna take this off. I've already done this, but I'm going to show you anyway. So here's one screw, and then you have one screw here, one screw here. No one in the middle. Okay, so just put it down and make some free space here, and remove this. There's two screws here before you can take it away. Now, if you see here, there's a connector. I made some mistakes yesterday because there was something wrong with my stereo. We'll tell you soon. I have done some other stuff here, so it's more than it's used to be. Should be. And I had some issues, but it showed out to be the stereo, not the actual product. This is the one. I don't get paid for this. No way. It's no commercial. You can have microphone, remote, and auxiliary input, and USB. I'm not going to use that because the hands-free is like ridiculous. If you're listening to radio, you will have no Bluetooth or anything. So that's for another project, waiting for parts from China. You have a remote control like this, but it works directly on the original buttons. You had like a USB, that's for like a memory card. What I did was buying and installing this one instead. It's a double USB port where one will go to this, because I'm gonna hide it. The problem I had when installing this, it's usually just to put the connector, but nothing happened. So after some googling, I could see that it would probably need accessory power, which was true. So if you would run into this trouble, check the blue wire on the connector. You have power, you have blue wire. The wires are very thin, so that's why I needed to resolder them. Okay, so that's done. This is done. As you saw, I removed the cigarette lighter input with this double USB. So in order to have a good for my Samsung quick charge, I purchased where did I put it? Hold on. Found it. I did like this. So the other USB will go here, and you will have power. You will have, this is a Qualcomm 3.0, so it will give you a quick charge if you have a Samsung or Android. It's really good, this product. Don't forget, I don't get any money for this. I'm just pretty impressed by this little product, but it's gonna be hiding in the back. So the lower USB will be the quick charge, and the upper will be, it will charge, but it will be also for a USB stick to, if you want to have your music on a memory card. So I'm gonna do isolate them. Usually when you solder on these type of products, it's pretty hard. So you just have a sandpaper, and just so it gets some cracks. Also check because this side or both sides could be ground. So if you take the wrong side, measure first if there's 0 ohms between these ones. That could be just a thing that you find out. Good to know before. So that one will go to, where is it? The second one. Easy. And the power for that one I already had because I disconnected it, so it's there. So I'm gonna solder it to it. Okay, so I have soldered it. Cigarette lighter down here. Maybe you don't see it. And put the unit here. I will remove this again later on because I have other things that needs to be installed. But for now, so I'm gonna put this back. Of course, you need to try it out first. I've already done that. I also took one more wire for you who have seen my parking sensor video. By the way, it's working good. But I would like to have, when putting in reverse, the stereo will mute. So there's a mute input, which is grounded, of course, and it will be muting. And when you then release reverse gear, it will be, the sound will come back smooth and easy. It's a security thing. Actually, there's one more thing. There were already a connector on the CD changer input. This one, this is CAN or serial, goes up to the control here. So you need to either buy a Y connector, X, Y, Z, Y connector, a split connector, or solder like I have done here between the same pins. It works as good. Actually, you can see when I put this back. Or you have speaker, power, speaker. Hello. Come on. Okay, you have these two screws. You screw them, and then you see that this is correct. I'm gonna remove it later, so don't bother that I don't actually do put the screws back. And try to fit this. Wow. Take this screw. Up. Dum, 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 dum. There it is. Okay, and then you have this little fellow here. Done. I made a change too, so when I don't need accessory in order to get the stereo. I'm just gonna put in the key and it will start. I need to get my iPad.